So what do I do as a developer advocate at Elastic? I think we always like to say it depends what the current situation is, like how much traveling we can do. I generally tend to travel a lot to go to events and meet the community and be there. But of course, there are other people on our team who travel less because of their preference or personal situation, who will focus more on building demos, writing content. If it's not so easy to travel at some point in time, then we also focus more on that, answering questions of the community. I always say that our goal is to have or make the community successful, because potentially successful users become paying customers at the end. So that's kind of like the motivator in the background. And successful users generally know what we can do. So for us, it's a lot about showing what is possible, but also solving their issues, because only if things are working out the right way, then people will be happy users and potentially evolve further. So it all leads down to having that reach to make our users successful. And then it can take many forms and shapes, and everybody kind of like tries to find their niche or thing where they think they add most value.